Alright, I'm going to tear down this little dash cam and possibly fix it. Little LCD seems to be fine, but you actually turn the camera on, everything's got a weird, it's all blue. Seems to be the only color. It doesn't seem to want to turn off either. The blue light in there is still on even when I held the power button down. Alright. Press that reset button maybe. Teeny little screws. Super long thread. Oh yeah, it's still on. Push pin with a silver ring. Aha. Okay, let's see. 2 more. Let's see what's in here. The camera module's been damaged. More of the connectors come loose. There we go. Oh, that's really easy. Oh, obviously got a battery that's been a little warm. There's a little tiny speaker glued up in there. Yeah. Wow. Camera modules on a fairly thick secondary board. It has spots in the front for 4 front-facing LEDs. I guess a status LED? Is there one there? It's not. In there. These are fairly small. Short little screws. Okay. I think there'd be a 4th one, but I guess not. Oh. Cool. Oh, huh. What used to be tape. Nobody peeled the backing off of. Okay. Not sticky anymore, but whatever. Okay. Come on. Really interesting. Probably specially made chip for camera recording. And a teeny little EEPROM in the back. I think that's an EEPROM. Yeah, looks like a 25 series. Clock crystal. Oh, there we go. There's a little camera. Kinda cool. cool. I don't know if I should take that out or not. Probably just a little simple LCD. Oh look! More non-sticky paper. Yeah, why not? Let's see what's in here too. More little tiny short screws. Probably all the same, other than the case screws. A little bit of rust on there, but made in China, so. Alright. Ooh. Yeah. Oh. Interesting. Huh. Like a little power board or something. Interesting. I didn't expect there to be anything in there. Huh. It's kind of like a little power regulator maybe. I don't know. Bunch of capacitors. A lot of capacitors. Huh. Huh. A little DVR. Technically. I had another one of these things that I got. Replaced the lens in it, and it had the same effect with the blue, but it also had yellow, and sometimes the other colors would flash in, so I'm pretty sure either it's this connector on the back or the actual camera module itself, but the connector looks alright. Let me get it to focus. Oh. Maybe not. Oh, there it goes. Anyway. Maybe look inside of it. It's probably not too interesting, but it's got a glass lens with a metal surround on it. It's kind of awesome. Huh. Oh god. That is so small. And that's supposed to be 720p, I think. Wow. Oh gosh. Look at those beautiful solder joints under there. Yep. Pretty sure I found the problem. Oh well. Maybe I can just heat it up and fix it, but kinda doubt it. Oh, there we go. Took the one apart. Hit it with my trusty heat gun. Or heat iron, I guess. And now, color. Getting it. There it goes. Turn off. There we go. And I got one with a bad battery, so it's a little grainy on that one. Don't last long, but you know. Goodbye. Pretty good.